2022 KX450SR. I just did some laps on the track with this, but I want to putt here in the field. The engine braking feels minimal. Hopefully it'll start. Just the kind of on-off throttle. Now I'm just getting off of 125. But I'm just noticing this bike feels like it has less compression braking than the other KXs I rode. Now I don't know if that mapping, but just try to get a feel for it, kind of revving out and just letting off. It just has kind of a freer feel. And for me, this power, where the original KX kind of jumps and then goes a little bit smooth as it revs out, this one is maybe a little smoother initially. And then kind of pulls. Still, I mean, the bike is brand new, it'll break in a little bit, but it still has a little bit of that flattening out character, but it's I think it just feels like it pulls a little stronger than the other KX450s I've ridden. But the, say, 0 to 3/8 throttle control feels a lot better. Just kind of boy, it's agile, feels nice. But that kind of connectivity from your hand to the rear wheel feels really, really good. And just finding traction. This doesn't have traction control, but I don't really feel like I need it. Look at that. Grear MX. What a beautiful place to ride. Yeah, it just feels freer. Even there, just downshifting. It's 50 degrees today, so I thought I might hear some chuffing and stuff, but I don't hear anything like that. Yeah, this is nice. It even just putting real slow, it just feels real smooth. So the things that kind of really stand out, got that little bark, that pro circuit bark. Very nice. Power's really, really smooth, strong. That suspension's good. Honestly, I'm really enjoying it. 2 big thumbs up.